At certain moments in life, taking a step is harder than standing still. Fear can be louder than hope. The future seems uncertain, while the past feels safe. But Taoism tells us a quiet yet powerful truth. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. It doesn't begin with strength. It doesn't begin with perfection, but with the courage to begin. Today, let us step into the wisdom of the Tao and understand what it means to bravely move forward, no matter what. Many people think courage is the absence of fear, but Taoism reminds us, true strength is recognizing one's own vulnerability. Courage is not the absence of fear, but choosing to move forward even while fearing. A river doesn't stop flowing because of a stone blocking its path. It only finds a new direction. So when life feels heavy, remember, you don't need to be invincible. You just need the willingness to move forward. Lao Tzu said, "Nothing in the world is more yielding and weak than water, yet nothing can surpass it in tightening the heart and strong." To bravely move forward, it's not necessarily about exerting more force. Sometimes it's about learning to be gentle, learn to let go of resistance, learn to go with the flow. Let life unfold naturally, rather than forcibly controlling it. Water tells us, we can keep moving forward, without being impatient. We can be gentle, yet still, unstoppable. Life has some phases that feel like being forced to stop. Dreams are delayed. Efforts yield no results. Our steps feel like they're stuck in mud. But stopping is not failure. In Taoism, stillness is a form of accumulation. Seeds buried in darkness don't disappear, but are bring new strength. So if you are in a quiet period, don't blame yourself. You are not falling behind. You are growing, moving forward. It's sometimes not about gaining more, but about learning to let go. Let go of excessively high expectations. Let go of old identities. Let go of those who are no longer by your side. Let go of the stories that bind you. Lao Tzu said, in learning, one gains daily. In practicing the way, one loses daily. The more you pursue, the more exhausted you become. The more you let go, the freer you become. Letting go is not failure. Letting go is making room for the future. You cannot hold on to yesterday while easily walking towards tomorrow. The Taoist emphasis on non-action wu-wei is not inaction, but rather avoiding unnecessary, confrontational effort. It means moving forward doesn't require self-punishment. Effort can be natural, not forced. Act with the flow, not against the current. Like building not tense, yet continuous, stable, and vibrant. You don't need to run. You just need to keep walking. One sincere step is better than 100 forced sprints. One day you will look back and realize that the courage to change your life was never that one earth-shattering moment. Rather, it's those small yet persistent moments. On a morning when you want to give up, you still get up. In the night when no one sees you, you still choose to continue. In the silent days, you still believe in yourself. This is the power of the Tao. Quiet, stable, unwavering. True courage is not raw, but persistence. So, whatever obstacles lie ahead, remember, you can be afraid. You can pause, but don't stop. Move forward, gently, steadily, bravely, because the Tao is always walking alongside you.